Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ofense. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do daily analysis. Today is the 15th of February, and we're gonna start with gold. You can see we are on a daily time frame. So, ladies and gentlemen, I remember we had a symmetrical triangle up until yesterday when the market or the price gave us the sign that it has been broken. So let's go close to the market and be able to tell where the price will be heading. If we can see, this is what we used to have. Let me draw double lines so that we can be able to remember that this was a zone. Since it's now broken, we still have a strong support down below. Let me just label it so that we can still remember that we still have that support there. As you can see, the price has been making beautiful moves, correctively moves and passive moves, and now is heading towards the upside. Another thing that I want you to notice is that we are having this type of structure where the price is at the resistance. So we might have something like this before we push high, or the price can just break and retest above the resistance to create the support and push high. Let's move closer to the lower time frame so that we can be able to see or have a clear idea where the price is heading. Ladies and gentlemen, we can see the price gave us a very nice structure for us to trade. This is what we had yesterday. Look at our price. Price respected this area, or previously respected this area right here, which is our initial resistance that was created symmetrical triangle. The price was respecting it and it broke as it gave us this type of retest and pushed high. Now we are at the horizontal resistance. Let's believe that the price will break out of it and come back to retest to give us a support sign and push high. Or if it doesn't, the price will respect this horizontal area and push right downwards. I hope you can see that we are having this beautiful structure where it's the highest point now. What we can do for now, let's not jump to the market. Let's wait if the market respects this area and push high, or wait to see if it respects the area to push down. Okay, let's not waste any time. Let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one, which is NASDAQ 100. Allow me to go to daily time frame so that we can be able to see where the price is going. Remember that yesterday I was showing you this type of move where the price is still on the bullish trend. We can confirm with our 200 SMA simple moving average indicator that we are still on a bullish time frame, bullish trend, and we are on daily time frame. So ladies and gentlemen, if we can see that on daily time frame the price still respects this area as we witnessed it yesterday, Let me move closer so that you can be able to draw those support areas and trend lines. The price is still respecting our horizontal support, and it seems very strong. As you can see, the price was giving us this moves and it came to the support and now is pushing high. I hope it makes sense to you guys. I hope it clearly makes sense to you guys. And don't forget that we are having something like this on the as a resistance. So the price is giving us this candlesticks, bullish candlesticks. It's a bullish doji candlestick that is bullish, and it's about to push high to reach our diagonal resistance. During this week, I'm telling you, we will be having this type of movement or this type of structure by the end of this week. Okay, let me move closer to the price and see where we are heading towards the resistance, whether we are heading towards the resistance. Ladies and gentlemen, look at how the price is respecting this area right here. The price is really respecting this area. And another thing that I can tell is this is the what do you call previous support zone. You guys can have a good understanding where I'm going with this. As you can see, the price was respecting this area, the previous resistance, and the price broke out of it to give us the initial support. The price pushed high and retested the area to give us another support, and now the price broke out of it to create this consolidation structure. Let's see if it respects the area and push down. But one thing I can tell you is, when we look at this structure that is over this horizontal support, this is a double bottom area. So clearly we will be waiting for the price to break out of this counter support, the smallest support area, the previous support we had, to break out of it, retest, and give us some beautiful moves. That's what I foresee happening this week. I don't think the market will be breaking below this area that we are having here. The price will respect this area. If it doesn't, it will continue with the consolidation before it breaks high. I hope you guys are able to understand that. So if I can show you something else, the price moved away from this area as it was respected to give us this type of reaction. So if you can see this area right here, that's when we had our first consolidation or retest when the price pushes high. I can tell you this area, we can call it our demand area, which means the price will give us this type of structure. This is our demand area. So now the price has to break out of it and create this type of moves towards the moon. By end of February, we will be on the very bullish trend, very beautiful bullish trend. Let's not waste any time. Let's move or dive to the next one, which is the US30. On our daily time frame, we can witness that the price is still respecting this area we had previously. Remember, we had something like this, which is our strongest support area recently, and you can tell that initially the price was respecting this area a couple of times, and even now I can tell it will continue to respect this area. If we move closer to the price, we are able to see that the price gave us this type of structure, the resistance, diagonal resistance, and there is this price, this structure that I see right here. I hope you guys are able to see it. Let me extend this this triangle. There we go. I hope you guys are able to see it. You see that this candle, bullish candle, just closed above this area, opened from here to show us this is the area, and I hope this is very visible. Let me do it like this for it to be very visible. You can see that this price, the hammer right here, opened just above this area and closed above the area there to show us how it is being respected. Couple of bullish, the price was bullish, came back and pushed up to made a U-turn from or inside this area, and you can tell that recently, like yesterday, we had this hammer or this rejection candle that is showing us the price pushed towards above this area to give us a sign of this area is being respected. So these are the couple of candles that we are having. I want you guys to understand that we are about to have bullish candle or bullish candles that will be pushing towards high, respecting this area. If we not gonna have that, if the price continues to sell, that means the price will be closing below this area, and then this area will no longer be respected, and it will push just right to the previous strongest support. So let's hope that if the price doesn't respect this support, the smallest support that we are currently on at the moment, we will be pushing high, and then if the price doesn't respect it, it will push down below. But one thing I can tell you, we are far from this diagonal resistance that we are having. So the price will either reach this area during the course of the week. If we move towards the closer time frame, towards the lower time frame, let's dive in and see if the price, with the US30, there are a couple of structures that I see. I think these are the important turning points or the important pinpoints. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see what I'm talking about. This price is about to push high. You can see the bullish candles that are happening here. These bullish candles. Let's hope the next candles will continue to push high to create a very bullish trend there. But one thing I can tell you, we are below the 200 SMA. So usually this indicator, I'm using it to find bearish. I'm using it as a bearish signal for me if I'm below it. But if I'm above it, I'm using it as a signal to find bullish trades. But one thing I can tell you, the price will push high to move closer to the diagonal resistance that we are having right there. This is the US30. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Let's move right to the next one and go to daily time frame. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having a GERMAN30. I had some, they call it GERMAN40 now, and we are on a daily time frame. Let's see where the price is going so that we can have a nice understanding. You can tell that we are still having this structure that I'm about to show you. Look at where the price is still on this, still respecting this strong support that you can see right here. The price will always respect this area. As you see, it's making this type of waves actually. Let's hope very soon it will be pushing towards, it will be able to push towards the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, I can confirm that the price gave us this beautiful structure. You can tell these indices are almost moving in the same type of momentum. As you can see that we are having this type of structures as the resistance. Yesterday the price was about to reach this horizontal support, and yes, it did reach the support and pushed above it to show or to confirm that this area is being respected. Let's move closer to the lower time frame so that you can tell what is happening right there. Are we still on the same page with this index? You can tell that with this type of candles. Oh God, what am I doing? Yeah, looking for my pen. You can see with this type of candle that the price was giving us that week that we saw on daily time frame. So there is another bearish, or I can see this wink that is giving us the sign that the sellers have no power, or they are losing the control of pushing the price below this area. You can see that there are a couple of signs that shows that bulls or buyers are in charge. You can even see with this candle. Look at this week. How long is it? It clearly says the buyers are in charge now. The sellers have no power. You can notice that we have something like this. I want you to understand that this is a small wedge. It's a small ascending wedge. Let me say it's an ascending wedge whereby the price will be making this type of moves before it breaks or before it goes to the initial or our ultimate diagonal resistance. I hope you understand what I'm trying to show you. I'll be waiting for the price to make its moves towards this area again, and after it breaks out of this small resistance, that's when I will say now we are placing our buys, waiting for those bullish candlesticks. So after it close above, after the price close above this area, I'll be saying now we are about to reach this diagonal ultimate resistance. If I have to confirm what I'm saying to you with the lower time frame again, you can see what I'm talking about. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. I hope you are able to see what I was talking about, that area. Or should I continue make it like a symmetrical triangle? The price will break out of this area and be having this type of moves. I hope you are able to understand that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. If you really find it informative, please do press like and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell for you to be notified every time I'm uploading the video. Thank you.